Hi, I'm Sally. Welcome back. I'm here today to show you how to make giblet gravy. Use the organic chicken broth to cook it in. And what I did with the neck is I cut it into smaller pieces. That way it won't take a long time to cook. So I bend it first and then I cut it. And then put the rest of the giblets in. Add a little bit of salt and a little pepper. Season to taste. Cook it on medium to high. And when it comes to a boil, just make sure you turn it down a little bit. Now that your giblets are cooked, you can cut it all up into small pieces. And I'm going to give you a little tip on how to remove the neck. It just comes right on off. Really simple. And it's great meat to add to your giblet gravy. So once you have cut up the giblets and the neck part, put it all in the gravy. Now that all the giblets are in your natural gravy, we're going to add some more natural broth. So this will definitely be a really delicious gravy. And if you do not want to make giblet gravy and all you want to do is make natural gravy without the giblets, follow everything with the exception of the giblets. Just leave those out. Stir your gravy, your natural gravy. You can put half a cup of cornstarch or flour if you don't have cornstarch. Mix it in with 2 cups of water. And make sure that this is stirred really good first before pouring it into the natural gravy. It's very important that you mix the flour or the cornstarch in the water beforehand or it'll clump. And just gently start pouring it in and keep stirring so that it will thicken your gravy. I generally use cornstarch, but as you can see this time I use flour because I didn't realize I was out of cornstarch. But keep stirring. I highly recommend cornstarch over flour, but they both work because you do want your gravy to be a little bit thick. Your gravy is already getting nice and thick. It is looking so delicious. And what you can do is season to taste. Add a little bit more salt, maybe a little bit of pepper. And keep stirring. That's very important because when you don't stir, then it'll definitely clump. Make sure it comes to a boil and then you can turn it on to low or just turn it off and keep stirring before you put it into your gravy bowl. And there you have it. Your gravy, it is so good. Let me put this right here. The ladle, cover it, and you're ready for your next meal. Now that your gravy is complete, it's time to take a taste of your natural giblet gravy. It's delicious. Oh my gosh, you are gonna love this on your turkey, on your stuffing, and any other dish. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed my video on how to do your homemade giblet gravy, a natural gravy. Thank you again. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon.